Have you ever wished you could create viral videos without ever showing your face on camera? Well, today I've got a game-changing tool for you, Short.ai. Whether you're a content creator, a marketer, or just someone who wants to create engaging videos, this AI-powered tool makes it easier than ever to create faceless videos that stand out. So, what exactly is Short.ai? Simply, it's an AI-driven platform that allows you to create professional-looking videos with minimal effort. You don't need any special skills or experience, and best of all, no need to be on camera. The tool gives you access to some of the most popular video templates out there. From AI-generated story videos to fake text conversations, Reddit story videos, and even dialogue-based videos. It does all the heavy lifting for you. All you need to do is provide the text, and the AI transforms it into a polished, engaging video in no time. Why is it worth trying? Wondered why Short.ai is a must-try? First off, the AI story video templates are incredibly versatile. You can turn any idea or story into an animated video with just a few clicks. Want to share a Reddit thread? Done. Have a funny or interesting conversation you want to show as a fake text? Easy. The AI handles all the visuals, animations, and text formatting for you. And it's not just about the video content. The caption generator is another standout feature. We all know that captions make a huge difference in engagement, and with Short.ai you can add captions, emojis, and even GIFs to your videos to make them pop. It's perfect for grabbing attention, especially on platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Amazing video editor. What really impressed me is how easy it is to tweak your videos with their video editor. You don't have to be an editing pro to make your video look great. It's super simple to cut, trim, and customize your videos with a clean, easy-to-navigate interface. Whether you want to add more captions, adjust the timing, or change up the visuals, everything is right at your fingertips. If you're tired of spending hours editing videos or trying to come up with creative ideas for your content, Short.ai is the magical solution. It saves you time, eliminates the need for high-level video editing skills, and helps you create videos that stand out on social media. So, if you're ready to level up your content game, give Short.ai a try today. Trust me, once you do, you'll wonder how you ever created videos without it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you're going to give it a shot. I'll see you in the next video.